Welcome to Career Simulator. Live the role, make the call.
Hey champs, welcome to the Astronaut Simulator Quiz. Get ready to test your space knowledge, astronaut instincts, and mission decision-making skills. You'll face 4 exciting rounds. Identify the tools, astronaut aptitude test, mission-critical judgment scenarios, and a rapid-fire true or false showdown. Only the best astronauts will survive all 4 rounds. Keep track of your score after every question, because at the end of the quiz, you'll earn your final astronaut rank based on your correct answers. Now, it's time to start round 1. Identify the tools. Let's see how many real space tools and astronaut gadgets you can recognize correctly. Astronauts, your mission starts now.
Question 1. The writing problem. Standard pens fail in zero gravity. How do astronauts write in space? And the correct answer is pressurized space pen. It uses pressurized nitrogen to write upside down and even underwater. Question 2. Morning routine. Floating coffee forms a dangerous blob. How do astronauts drink it? And the correct answer is capillary space cup. It uses physics, not gravity, to guide liquid into your mouth. Question 3. Time for bed. Sleeping astronauts can drift into equipment and control panels. Where do they anchor themselves? And the correct answer is Velcro sleeping bag. It's a padded sleeping bag strapped directly to the station wall. Question 4. Stepping outside. While loosening a bolt during a spacewalk, the force starts spinning you instead. Which tool helps solve the problem? And the correct answer is pistol grip tool. This space drill displays precise torque settings to help astronauts work safely.
Question 5. Working on the hull. Floating away would end the mission. How do astronauts anchor their feet? And the correct answer is portable foot restraint. This simple device locks boots in place so astronauts can work hands-free. Question 6. Heavy lifting. A giant spacecraft is approaching the station. What grabs and captures it? And the correct answer is the Canadarm. This giant robotic arm can capture and move massive spacecraft in orbit. Final question. Emergency protocol. Your safety tether suddenly snaps during a spacewalk. What could stop you from drifting away forever? And the correct answer is space jetpack. This gas-powered backpack was designed to let astronauts fly untethered in space. Excellent work, astronaut. You've completed round 1 of the Astronaut Simulator Quiz. Have you answered all correctly? Excellent work, astronaut. Now it's time for round 2. The Astronaut Aptitude Test. Let's see how well you understand the science, physics, and realities of life in space. Question 1. Earth's rotation acts like a free speed booster. Which direction do most orbital rockets launch? And the correct answer is east. Launching east uses Earth's 1,600 km/h spin, saving huge amounts of fuel. Question 2. You are walking on the moon. Your weight drops to approximately what fraction of your Earth weight? And the correct answer is 1/6. A heavy 180-kilogram spacesuit feels closer to a 30-kilogram backpack on the moon. Question 3. The International Space Station circles Earth every 90 minutes. How many sunrises do astronauts see each day? And the correct answer is 16. Astronauts witness a sunrise or sunset roughly every 45 minutes. Question 4. Astronauts temporarily grow taller in space because of what?
And the correct answer is spine expansion. Without gravity compressing your spine, the vertebrae relax and stretch out up to 2 inches. Question 5. To stay in orbit, what speed must the International Space Station maintain? And the correct answer is 28,000 kilometers per hour. At that speed, astronauts travel about 7.7 kilometers every second. Question 6. Your landing capsule rolls completely upside down. To steer right, which direction must you pull? And the correct answer is left. Being upside down completely reverses your natural left-right control instincts. Question 7. To help reduce space nausea, what should an astronaut stare at? And the correct answer is a static wall. A fixed visual reference helps your brain deal with conflicting signals from the inner ear.
Question 8. What shape does a flame become in space?
And the correct answer is a sphere. Without gravity, hot air doesn't rise, so oxygen reaches the flame equally from all directions. Question 9. Water cannot flow from a traditional shower head in 0G. How do astronauts wash their hair? And the correct answer is no rinse shampoo. Astronauts squirt water drops directly onto their scalp, work in the rinse-free soap, and simply towel it off. Final question. Humanity is building a new space station around the moon. What is it called? And the correct answer is Gateway. This deep space outpost will support future missions to the moon and act as a pit stop for Mars. Outstanding work, astronaut! You've completed round 2 of the Astronaut Simulator Quiz. How many did you get right?
You've made it to round 3, the judgment round. From this point forward, every decision could determine the success of the mission or your survival in space. Scenario 1, the red oxygen warning. You are performing a critical spacewalk outside the station, just 2 turns away from securing an important hull repair. Then suddenly, a bright red warning flashes across your helmet visor. Life support oxygen 5% remaining. The airlock is still 3 minutes away, and the clock is ticking. Study the situation carefully. Astronaut, what do you do? The correct answer is drop the tools and begin an immediate return. Space agencies enforce a zero-tolerance policy for life support warnings. The final reserves of oxygen can disappear faster than expected, especially under physical stress. When air becomes the problem, nothing is more important than getting back inside safely. Prepare for your next critical decision. Scenario 2, the cracked solar panel. While clearing debris outside the station, your helmet light catches something unusual. A deep fracture is running through one of the station's primary solar arrays. Power levels still appear completely normal. No alarms are sounding, and mission control hasn't noticed the damage yet. But in space, small problems rarely stay small for long. Study the situation carefully. Astronaut, what do you do? The correct answer is take high-resolution photos and immediately log an emergency report. Solar arrays endure extreme temperature swings in orbit. Tiny fractures can rapidly expand over time and cause major structural failures. Early detection gives engineers the best chance to prevent a much larger problem. Prepare for your next critical decision. Scenario 3, the storm below. Your spacecraft is preparing for re-entry. Everything is on schedule. fuel reserves are perfect, and your deorbit window opens in just 10 minutes. Then, new weather data arrives. A massive lightning supercell is rapidly forming directly over your planned ocean splashdown zone. The storm continues to grow stronger by the minute. One decision now could determine whether the landing remains safe or becomes a rescue disaster. Study the situation carefully. Astronaut, what do you do? The correct answer is delay the deorbit burn and wave off the landing to a later orbit. Even a perfectly functioning spacecraft should avoid landing in severe weather. Parachutes can be overwhelmed by powerful storm winds, and recovery teams may be unable to safely locate or retrieve the capsule in rough seas. Prepare for your next mission-critical decision.
Scenario 4. The floating water blob. Everything seems normal aboard the station until an internal cooling line suddenly ruptures. Hundreds of water droplets burst into the air, transforming into floating spheres drifting through the module, and they're heading straight toward the station's primary flight control console. Sensitive electronics, open cooling vents, and conductive liquid are about to collide. In zero gravity, even a simple water leak can become a major emergency. Study the situation carefully. Astronaut, what do you do? The correct answer is grab highly absorbent towels to trap the spheres. In zero gravity, floating liquids can be pulled into electronic systems through surface tension. Even small amounts of water can trigger short circuits, smoke, or critical equipment failures. Containing the droplets immediately is the safest response. Prepare for your next mission-critical decision.
Final scenario: the bad dock. After hours of careful orbital maneuvering, you're approaching the docking port. Distance to target, just 10 meters. Everything appears perfect. Then, suddenly, a small thruster hiccup jolts the spacecraft. The docking alignment crosshairs drift slightly off-center. The station fills your window. You're still close enough to attempt docking, but something doesn't look right. At this distance, even a tiny alignment error can create a major problem. Study the situation carefully. Astronaut, what do you do? The correct answer is abort the approach, back away to 50 meters, and realign. Docking systems require extremely precise alignment. Forcing an off-center connection can damage the locking mechanisms, compromise the seal, or even trigger a dangerous collision between both spacecraft. When docking doesn't look perfect, the safest choice is to back away and try again. Outstanding work, astronaut. You've completed the astronaut judgment round. Hope you made the right calls and brought both yourself and your spacecraft home safely.
Welcome to the final round. Rapid fire, true or false. No calculations, no second chances. Trust your astronaut instincts. Let's begin. Question 1. Sound travels faster in space than on Earth. False. Space is nearly a vacuum, so sound cannot travel at all. Question 2. Astronauts can sleep attached vertically to a wall. True. In zero gravity, there is no up, down, or sideways. Question 3. Food tastes stronger and more flavorful in space. False. Fluid shifts make astronauts feel like they have a stuffy nose. Question 4. Many spacewalks are rehearsed inside giant swimming pools. True. Some training sessions last over 6 hours underwater.
Question 5. Astronauts report that outer space smells like fresh flowers.
False.
Many compare the smell to burnt metal or seared steak. Question 6. The moon is slowly moving away from Earth. True! The moon drifts about 3.8 centimeters farther away every year. Question 7. Moon footprints disappear after a few months. False! Some footprints may survive for millions of years. Final question. Astronauts can cry in space, but their tears don't fall. True! Tears collect into floating blobs around the eyes. And that's the end of the Astronaut Simulator Rapid Fire round. How many did you get right, astronaut?
Outstanding work, astronaut! Only a few people can complete all 4 rounds of the Astronaut Simulator Quiz. But before we reveal your final rank, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Career Simulator, and comment your score out of 30 below. All right, astronaut, it's time for your final rank. Did you become a rookie astronaut or the ultimate Astronaut Simulator Master? This was just a small glimpse into the incredible challenges astronauts face beyond Earth. Salute to the brave men and women who push the boundaries of exploration and help humanity reach for the stars. See you in the next challenge, and tell us in the comments, which profession should we simulate next?